Introducing Abhyaz's Internship. Abhyaz offer fully remote internships for students, job seekers and women returning to workforce, returnship. We fulfill internships across engineering, data science, HR and admin, finance, marketing, operations, web development, graphic designing and more. Being a fully remote offering, this encourages candidates from remote parts of India access to opportunities while offering industries great talent. Our aim is to provide you a better platform which can contribute better in your future. You'll do a meaningful work along with colleagues and mentors to creatively solve problems and handle a range of challenges that committed to the best outcome of your career. You will get a chance to work with a team that will solve every problem with their uniqueness and skill. We want you to be the best version of yourself to continuously evolve and improve. You will be given the resources and support to chart your own path by owning your development, your career, and your future. Internships are fully remote work from home opportunities. Our in-depth technical assessments identify your skill gaps, and we help you bridge over them with our relevant skill development programs and trainer guidance. Our team of technical mentors and industry professionals guide you through every step of the way while executing creative projects and industrial case studies. We ensure you succeed and gain valuable hands-on experience needed by employers today. Showcase your talent and build your online portfolio and build your job-ready resume to demonstrate your competencies. You must have a computer with uninterrupted internet connection. We are offering internships for students, job seekers, and women who want to rejoin the workforce. Let us see about our internship. We offer both full-time and part-time opportunities from Monday to Friday only, ensuring flexibility while maximizing your learning experience. Internship type are of knowledge-based, which is of 1 month where we gain foundational knowledge, training, and industry insights through structured learning, and project-based, which is of 2 to 6 months where we work on live projects, collaborate with teams, and apply your learning in real-world scenarios. Internship timings: full-time from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Ideal for those who want to gain maximum exposure and experience throughout the day. And part-time for project internship only, morning slot from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. A flexible option for those who can commit to the first half of the day. Afternoon slot from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Another flexible option for those available in the second half of the day. After your completion of the internship, you will be receiving the certificate within a week. While this program does not offer a stipend, what you gain is far more valuable: hands-on experience, mentorship, industry exposure, and career-enhancing skills. Through this program, we aim to bridge the gap between education and professional expertise, providing you with a strong foundation for future career opportunities. Thanks for watching.